Hi everyone! At the moment, we have a brand new Toyota Hilux J for basic upgrade. So far, as we are doing right now, for the suspension on this unit, the client chose the 10 4x4 Damper Sports with add a lift, Profender add a lift we use for the rear. And then, as you all know, the J don't have the side step board and the rear bumper. So on this unit, we're using the ARB Summit. Side step, ARB, side step. For the tint on this unit, the client chose the BF Stone Series, the 90% heat rejection. He chose the medium on the front, while the side and the back is super dark. Okay. For the front right now, we're doing is the stock bumper don't have the fog lamp. So we installed the Baja Squadron Pro. This is specifically made for Toyota with the bracket. So this is plug and play. You no need to buy another cover. Just cut the hole and you're good to go. Plug it at the back. Compare buying those cheap fog lamp with very low light output. Then we additional install PIAA. This is the LPX 570 model, 7-inch with a custom bracket. We are using the clear because this is available on yellow and clear. So on this unit, we're using the clear version. And the nice thing about this PIAA, comes with DRL light, and it's up to you. You're going to cover it with this one or this one. We're doing the wiring right now, and also we'll be installing ARV UV protection. And for the rims and tires on this unit, the client is choosing what going to use, 17s or 18s. So we'll do more videos after. If you like our setup here, feel free to message me. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. No to fake wheels, everyone. See you here. Bye!